Margaret. Margaret, please. Come here. Come on, have some. Come on. Oh, Margaret. Oh, Margaret. Come on. No. Okay. You can be that way. I need to get you drinking orange juice. Somebody's pretty. I heard somebody say she's pretty. Come here. Would you like some more? Okay. Yes, and I'll give you some more too before she's finished. Was that you laughing too? Did you just laugh? Oh, it's you laughing. Okay, hold on. You can have the last little bit. You have the last little bit. Okay? Yeah, you can have the last little bit. Oh. Is that better? Everybody's happy now. You got the last bit. You got the last bit. Okay. You're a very good girl. Ashley, you're a very good girl. Can you whistle? Come on, do that for the camera. Yeah? Come on, that's not, Come on. There's no more left. You're scraping the bottom, kiddo. No more left. No more left. Look at your pretty feathers. You got feathers. Let me see your wings. Let me see your pretty wings. I know. Let me see your pretty wings. Come on. Let me see. I don't want to see your butt. I want to see your wings. Let me see your wings. Pretty, pretty wings. Let me see your feathers. Will you do feathers? Feathers, feathers. No feathers today. No feathers. Let me see your feathers. Let me see your pretty feathers. Oh, pretty girl. Hi. Are you a good girl? Huh? Yes, I know. I know. I know. Oh, such a pretty baby. Oh, 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 look at your pretty face. Oh, and look at your naked belly. Look at that naked belly. Look at you. You're so silly. I think it's gonna rain today. I think it's gonna rain today. Hello. Are you gonna come closer? Oh, look at you. Look at you. You're not afraid of anything anymore, are you? What is this? Can you say something? Oh, come on. Say something, you pretty girl. You pretty little girl. What? What? Oh, oh, what is that? It's my camera lens. And you'd like to take that and crush it to pieces, wouldn't you? What's the matter, Margaret? Margaret. I'm not talking to Mama today. Okay. Oh, look at you. Who's that little birdie? And later we'll see the birdie. We'll see you, little birdie. Yes. Oh. Yes. What you doing, Cassie? What are you doing, Cassie? Come on, fluff it up. Come on, fluff it. Come on. Show those pretty feathers. Come on. Show those pretty feathers. Oh, Cassie. Oh, Cassie. Does orange juice do that to you? Oh, Orange, you a pretty girl. Yes, you are so pretty. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Look at you. How pretty. Margaret, are you doing something naughty on there? I think you are. Oh, are you laughing in back of me? Huh? Oh, are you laughing? Oh, oh. Look at you. Look at you. Is that a trick? Is that a trick? Is that a trick? What? You silly baby. You are so pretty. Margaret, what are you doing? Look at you. Look at you. Oh, it doesn't do that. No. What are you doing, Margaret? Huh? What you doing, Margaret? Oh. Are you rubbing up against something? And I think I know what you're doing, Margaret. I think I know what you're doing. Yes, I do. Who's laughing? Is it you? Who's laughing? Who's laughing? Ooh. Ooh, what is that? Who's laughing? Is it you? You couldn't be laughing. Oh! Come on. Say it. Sing it. Come on. Oh, come on. That's all you ever do. Yeah, I know. Come on. Yeah, sing. Call the dogs. I'm going to say call the dogs. Call the dogs. Ashley, call the dogs. Come on. Huh? Call the dogs, Ash. Where's the dogs? Bernie. Where's Bernie? Call the dogs. Oh, I'm going now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Bye-bye. I'm going now. I'm going. Bye-bye.